Hello, I'm Sophie from Carlisle Audi, and today we're showing you around this brand new Audi RS3 carbon Vorsprung Sportback. This RS3 is finished in the striking Python yellow and comes fitted with the 2.5 litre TFSI petrol engine and Tronic automatic gearbox, allowing you to push 400 PS. This RS3 also comes with the renowned Quattro all-wheel drive system and is ULEZ compliant. The front of the vehicle is fitted with darkened HD matrix LED headlights, designed to perfectly illuminate the road, no matter the driving conditions. The vehicle sits on a set of 19-inch alloy wheels in a gloss-turned finish. These are fitted with black brake calipers that beautifully contrast against the yellow paintwork of the vehicle. The rear windows on this RS3 are fitted with privacy glass that adds a sleek, modern finish to the exterior whilst enhancing your privacy within. This RS3 also comes fitted with a rear carbon spoiler, which adds to the aggressive exterior finishes of the vehicle. This RS is also equipped with the RS Sport exhaust system, which allows you to not only sound good, but look good. Opening up the rear tailgate, as you can see, there's plenty of storage space for anything you may wish to take upon your travels, despite the small size of the vehicle. Moving into the rear of the vehicle, we have 3 rear seats with a folding down armrest designed to enhance the comfort of your rear passengers. The outer of these seats come fitted with Isofix for children's car seats. The front seats are electronically adjustable and come with the RS logo embossing for a sporty finish. This vehicle also comes with an upgraded sound system and wireless charger. This RS is equipped with a panoramic opening sunroof, which can be easily operated using buttons in the roof. This floods the cabin with natural light, perfect for the summer months. This vehicle is fitted with 2-zone climate control, which can be easily adjusted via the buttons in the front. The front seats are also heated, perfect for those chilly mornings. The dash is equipped with an MMI touchscreen, which allows you to control the DAB radio system, mobile phone connectivity, which includes use of Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, as well as navigation system. As you can see, the screen is incredibly easy to use, and once reverse is selected, the rear view camera will appear upon the screen, allowing you to easily park and manoeuvre your vehicle. This vehicle also comes with Park Assist, which allows you to park and unpark your vehicle at just the touch of a button. In front of the driver is the flat top and bottom steering wheel, which allows you to control your music, cruise control, and your Audi virtual cockpit. Here you'll see information about your car, your phone connectivity, and your navigation system, making it easier than ever for you to get from A to B. This vehicle also comes with a head-up display, which projects important information such as your speed and the speed limit at eye level onto your windscreen, allowing you to keep your eyes on the road while seeing your information. That concludes our 360 walk around this Audi RS3 carbon Vorsprung. Thank you so much for watching. For any further inquiries, please don't hesitate to get in touch.